This is the EcoCube, your window to nature. Get the beauty of an aquarium without the maintenance. The no-hassle design is stress-free, compact, and easy to use. Just fill it with water, plug it in, and enjoy. Never change the filters, ever. The EcoCube's unique aquaponics filter use plants to filter the water. Fish create waste that fertilize the plant, and as the plant grows larger, the aquarium gets even cleaner. It's the same way nature cleans our rivers, lakes, and oceans. This is the best low-maintenance ecosystem ever, and it's affordable. Other ecosystems can cost hundreds of dollars to set up and maintain. The EcoCube C has everything you need, and it's easy to set up. Get yours today.
Hello, my name is Water. I'm being held prisoner inside this disposable plastic bottle, just like you are. I used to run freely through your faucet and drinking fountains until big companies came up with the greatest marketing scheme ever. Stick me in a bottle, slap on a fancy label, and sell me back to you for a huge profit. Seriously. Hi, I'm Eric.
And I'm Paul, and we're the creators of Core Water.
We started Core years ago because we were tired of being held hostage to bottled water. It's become an irrational but necessary evil for all of us when we're on the go.
Right, like I was at the airport the other day. Couldn't find a water fountain, so I had to buy a $4 bottle of water. It's the same story when I'm at a hotel, ball game, or the gym.
But what if together we could end the excuse of bottled water once and for all? We asked ourselves the same question. How could we match the convenience, taste, and style of bottled water? We spent over 18 months developing our prototype, and I think we've come up with something truly revolutionary. It's called the Core Nava. The Nava is a reusable water bottle with its own filter. It looks cool, it's easy to drink from, and it allows you to have clean, great tasting water right from the tap.
I admit it, I'm obsessed with the design of this water bottle. We chose to make our filter out of coconut shells that are converted into activated carbon. Now, activated carbon has been used for thousands of years to purify water. A lot of filters, though, are made from coal, which can contain heavy metals. Coconut, it's not only safer, it's a renewable resource. To make it really easy to break the bottled water habit, we're going to create a filter subscription program right on our website. You'll get the filters delivered to your door when you need them, so you won't have to worry about going to get replacements. Our filter lasts for about 3 months, or 40 gallons of water. So that's 300 plastic bottles that aren't going into a landfill, that aren't even being manufactured and trucked around the planet. And you'll be saving yourself about $400.
With most bottles, the mouthpiece and drinking experience is a complete afterthought. With the Nava, we strive to create an amazing ergonomic spout that feels great on your lips. A lot of filter bottles require you to either squeeze the bottle to force the water through the filter, or you have to suck through the spout like a Hoover vacuum. Our breakthrough was to create something we call Easy Flow, which gives an amazing drinking experience. Easy Flow is an optimization between the coconut carbon filter and the housing, such that it gives you incredible tasting water, but with great flow.
If we've done our job right, and I think we have with the Core Nava, all the hours of engineering and technology that's gone into this bottle is invisible, and they're just left with an incredible experience.
With just about every other bottle we looked at, the mouthpiece is exposed to germs and dirt. So our solution is this push-button cap that protects the mouthpiece. It opens with one hand, has a cool ergonomic handle, and you'll never lose your cap because it's attached to the bottle.